So I'm going to show you how we were able to get this page back to hitting $1,000 days and the process that we use. I made a post inside of our private community of content creators. This is a community that I have for my clients. And in here, I showed a screenshot of one of our Facebook pages, and you can see the difference here of how this Facebook page was hitting, $400, $500 a day, sometimes a little bit more. But then we suffer a major drop. And this is basically at the beginning of April, where Facebook was implementing all of these changes when it comes to like long form versus short form content. And so we quickly adapted. The main benefit of what we do is because we have access to so much data, we can quickly adapt to the changes that Facebook makes. We can see the data overall across multiple Facebook pages, take all of that data and find out what is actually making money, and then apply those changes to all of those Facebook pages that we have. And then we share that information with our clients inside of our program. And basically you can see that we were able to hit $1,137 for May 2nd. The following day, we also hit over $1,000 per day. And now this page is ranging from like $700 to $900 to $1,000 per day. And we were able to bounce back fairly quickly. Now, Chris is also one of my clients, applied the same strategy that I shared with them a few weeks back. And he said, over the last 2 days, I uploaded 9 2 to 3 minute reels, posting every 2 hours from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. During the night, I've been using HQ. HQ is our Repost HQ software, which allows you to track top performing content on your page and also repost it to your page in a matter of seconds to repost some of the older short reels that performed well in the past. The results have been encouraging. My revenue has doubled in just the last 2 days. My plan moving forward is to continue posting longer reels during the day and use HQ for shorter reels at night. Right now, it seems the longer reels are driving revenue while the shorter reels are helping bring in followers. Hope this helps someone else in the group who's still testing strategies. As you can see, he hit $828 in May 2nd, and this is definitely encouraging. You can see that what we actually teach works because what we saw is that longer reels are now making more money if you format them properly and understand what these changes mean for your Facebook page. The one thing we know for sure is that if you want to make more money with these new changes on Facebook, there's 3 things that you should be doing. Number 1, you should be optimizing your audience, meaning that you should be aiming for tier 1 audiences that will pay you more money for the views you get on Facebook. It no longer matters how many views you're getting on Facebook. If you're looking at the overall total views for your content, you're looking at the wrong metric. You should be optimizing for qualified views because that's how you really make the money now. And the one metric that determines how much money you get paid on Facebook is the earnings rate, or the RPM. If you're getting a lot of views from tier 3 and tier 2 countries, then your RPM is going to be very low, and it doesn't matter how many views you get, you're still not going to make money. So you need to be optimizing your audiences to get a higher RPM and get more qualified views, which is exactly what we did for these pages. The second thing is you need to be formatting your content. And what I mean by that is it's not enough to just take a long form video and upload it on Facebook. That video has to be formatted for Facebook, meaning that it has to have all the different components to make that video work for Facebook. Videos that you take from YouTube and just upload it on Facebook, they're not gonna work the same. So you need to understand how to format your videos so it gets pushed to more people by the algorithm, and not just more people, but the right people, so you can also get qualified views. And the last thing is posting frequency and diversity. And what I mean by that, if you're not posting enough, if you're only posting once or twice a day or once every couple of days, you're not gonna make money. You need to be posting more and testing more content to see what's actually working in order to make more money. You wouldn't believe how many people reach out to me, say, I'm not making enough money, but I'm only like posting once a day. On Facebook, you can get away with posting way more, just like Chris. He's been posting every 2 hours and essentially making more money as a result of doing that. But of course, it's not just posting anything every 2 hours. Everything has to be in place. There's gotta be a strategy behind how you post. And that's why diversifying into multiple formats, not just long form videos, but using other formats to get more reach, get more followers, and then use your long form to essentially make the money, because you still need to grow your audience. You still need to get reach. If you're not getting new followers, if you're not getting recommended by the algorithm to non-followers, and you're posting long form content, that long form content is not going to make you money. So you need to understand that you still need to use short form content. You still need to use photos and stories and carousel posts to bring new audiences, but also long form right now is what's making money. And if you want the full breakdown of this strategy, explained step by step, exactly what Chris is using, exactly what we're doing with our Facebook pages, watch this video. I broke down exactly what you need to be doing by format and how you should move forward to adapt to these changes and actually make the money you want to make with Facebook, so you're not a broke Facebook content creator. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.